Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Russian Urals crude oil prices exceeded the G7 oil price cap this week for the first time, with oil prices across the board rising as Saudi production cuts began to take hold. Japan's Toshiba plans to establish a domestic supply chain for offshore wind power equipment, together with US manufacturer General Electric, Nikkei reported, as Japan is expanding in renewable energy in a zero-carbon push. There was no discussion about exchange rates at a meeting of Group of 7 finance ministers and central bank chiefs, Japanese Finance Minister Shunichi Suzuki said.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Italy's Consumer Price Index at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 1000 hours GMT. China's Gross Domestic Product at 0200 hours GMT. China's industrial production at 0200 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.